Hi guys, welcome to the Let's Listen channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise and its name is GeoBlock. Well, this is the dimension for this part and then let's make a modeling part now. From the Solidworks interface, let's start from right plane and make it a normal 2. For the next step, go to the sketch and click to this midpoint line and I want to make it for construction. Start from this point and make it just a vertical. Right click and click select and then go to this toggle and click corner rectangle and I want to start by click and adjust to this point and then okay, let's give the smart dimension from this point to this point and it is 45 millimeter. Okay, and then max to the other and it is 100 millimeter. Then let's make for this height and it is 80 millimeter. Okay, so that okay, for the next step let's click to this corner rectangle and then start from this point. Let's give the smart dimension for this vertical line and I want to make it 35 millimeter. And then 32 millimeter for this horizontal line. Okay, for the next step go to the feathers and I want to give the thickness to the sketch by click remove boss. From this cell contour let's click to this sketch but change for this decrease to 60 and then change for the direction and then click for the sketch. Okay, for the next step click to this toggle and click to sketch. Let's give the remove boss and then set a value to 90 millimeter and then click to this sketch, change the direction and then okay. Well, for the next step let's give the sketch from the surface by click and then make it normal 2 and then go to the sketch, select to this line, make it for construction, start from this point and connect to this point, then click to the circle and find the center, give the smart dimension and I want to set the diameter value to 16 millimeter and then okay. Done. Well, from the sketch press and hold the control button at the keyboard and then click to this point and to this surface, go to feather and I want to make it a new plane and then apply. right click and make it a normal 2. For the next step, right click and click sketch. Let's expand the plan. Well, for the next step, click to this center point arch and then start from this point to this point. Okay, and then go to the smart dimension, click to this point, press and hold the control button, and then click to this, and then click to this one. So let's set a value to 13mm, and then okay. For the next step, let's click done, and then go to the swipe cut from this blue box, select to this profile, and then for this pink box is automatic selected for this sketch, and then okay. Hide this plane, press and hide. Ctrl 7 to make it the isometric view, and then if you want to change for this part color, let's change to blue color, then okay. Hi, the part is done. I hope you like this video and support this channel. If you want to find a similar video, you can check my playlist exercise. At last, see you on my next video.